Hi friends, welcome to our channel. I'm Eula and this is my husband Alex. We live in beautiful Ontario, Canada. We are currently working on converting this brand new 2021 Ford Transit empty cargo van into an adventure travel camper. We both retired in 2019 and began our adventures in this little car camper. We took it to Newfoundland for a month in 2019 and then to Florida for 2 weeks in 2020. During the pandemic and all the lockdowns, we explored our lovely province by bicycle. We ended up getting these 2 electric bikes and plan to travel with them in our new van. So, if you'd like to see more updates of our van build or more tours of places we visit, all you have to do is subscribe. Thank you.